guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to wear test and review the new Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. Now this is not that new on the market, and for sure it's also not new for me, but I'm living in Europe and this product has not even been released here in Europe. I was checking at Beauty Bay. I think there is the place where they have most of the Wet n Wild products, and they don't have it. I'm not able to find it anywhere else. Maybe you can find it if you are in Europe in sites like Amazon or eBay, but on official beauty retailers this product has not yet launched. I was thinking, because I have this from maybe a couple of months. I was wearing it here and there, but I have never done a wear test. And recently my friend Jackie Naturals, she told me that she also bought this one and she wants to try it. She's oily combination like me. She's like a few years younger than me, but I thought let's give it a wear test and see where are we sitting with this new Tinted Hydrator by Wet n Wild. I bought mine from the Wet n Wild website. They only ship US and Canada and it retails for $5.99. I think they also have it stocked at Ulta and probably to some other US retailers. I will link everything I can find down below on my description box. And now let's go ahead and do the actual wear test. I thought I will do the classic application. I decided to apply in one side of my face using a beauty sponge. Actually this is by Beauty Bakery. I got it in a set from BoxyCharm. And of course on my left side I'm going to use my trusted, beloved new BK Beauty 101 brush that I love it so much. It's amazing for applying all kind of foundations. I don't have anything else on my skin excepting the SPF and my morning skincare routine. When I was filming this video it was just 20 minutes after 9 AM, so right now it's almost 10 AM. So as you can tell, when I'm using this sponge, this tends to suck up the product. So I went ahead with a second layer just to build the desired coverage, because I was feeling that I'm not getting enough coverage. But when I was switching off the light, I could see that the coverage is really natural. I like the way that it's applying on my face. And on the left side, as I said, I've been using the BK Beauty 101 brush and I actually get a really good coverage. I don't need to go with a second layer to build up. The only quantity that I added in the beginning, it was enough to get the desired coverage. So this is like a light to medium buildable coverage. This is what this product offers. Maybe I can tell you some specifications from their website. This tinted hydrator with hyaluronic acid and vegan squalene is one-way ticket to quenched perfection. Our new BareFocus tinted hydrator features buildable sheer to medium coverage with a semi-matte finish for a natural, flawless and nourished glow. Lightweight, multi-purpose and super convenient formula. So the product is hydrating with hyaluronic acid and vegan squalene, provides buildable sheer to medium coverage, semi-matte finish for all skin types, perfect with a silky smooth, non-greasy application. And it's delivered, it's coming in 12 shades. I was able to match myself in the shade Fair. Actually I wanted to buy a shade up, a shade darker. It was out of stock when I've placed my order. I bought this in April, if I'm not wrong, at the time when Wet n Wild had a 50% sale on their website, and I think most of their bestseller products were out of stock at that time. I was also doing a oxidization test and I was able to see by the end of the test that it doesn't oxidize so much, which is good and bad, because I was wanting to have a little bit deeper shade, especially now for the summer. I was self-tanning myself and I'm a bit more colored, so I was hoping to oxidize. Nevertheless, I think it applies beautifully. I don't have any complaints. All the powders were sitting perfectly on the top. So after I've applied the foundation, I went ahead with my Essence Stay All Day 16-hour concealer, because this is also a lightweight formula. I was feeling that I need a lightweight formula concealer to cover up my dark circles, but to not look like overdone. And I've set everything using the Inika Mineral Mattifying powder, which is a very lightweight powder. For my face, for bronzer, I have used the Tilbury Airbrush bronzer in the shade medium, following by the Chantecaille blush in the shade Coral. And for highlighter, I went with this shade from the Natasha Denona Blush Glow Duo. And I didn't show you on camera, but I have used the Catrice Matte Pro Ink liquid lipstick in the shade Confidence It's Key for my lips, and also my Gerard Cosmetics Trustful lip pencil in the shade Bel Air. So this is everything I have on my face. Maybe I should show you what I'm wearing on my eyes, because I'm going to get some questions. Today I have been using my Natasha Denona the Sunrise palette, and I was playing a bit with those yellow shades, but not only. And I'm actually satisfied with the way that my eye makeup looks. But yeah, this is as far as the application goes. One thing I want to mention about this foundation, for those of you who care, this has a slight paint fragrance. It's not that powerful like their original foundation. That one smells terrible. This is another foundation that I have from Wet n Wild, and this smells as paint like crazy. This has a slight paint smell. It's just an FYI. I feel that after I apply everything, the scent is gone. But yeah, now it's 10 a.m. I have like half hour since I've applied my base on the face, and today I'm going to shoot more videos. I'm preparing my backlog for the vacation, when I will not be able to film so much due to travel and also having kids at home. So I'm going to record more videos. You are going to see me wearing this outfit in more videos. This dress, it's actually a dress, it's not a top, is by Desigual. I recently went shopping. I don't have enough material for one single haul. I only bought this dress and one blouse and two dresses for my daughter, but if I'm going to buy more Desigual during their summer sales, I'm probably going to do a haul just for you. But yeah, this is all for this moment, and see you guys later. I was not having time during the day to take some footage, but this is how my foundation looked by the end of the day. I would say I was wearing the new Tinted Hydrator by Wet n Wild between 9 and 10 hours. I was not expecting to look like this. I have been wearing this foundation when I first got it like 1 or 2 months ago, and I was not so oily or so greasy by the end of the day. And I do attribute that to more factors. First, we were just jumping into the summer. Like last week we had 15 degrees and now we are almost up to 30. I'm speaking about Celsius. And I think my body needs some time to accommodate with the overpowering hot. I am not complaining, I love summer, but I just want to say. The second thing is that I've been using yesterday a dewy SPF. This is by Caudalie, and I should have been blotting the excess before applying the Tinted Hydrator. I did not do that, so my bad. And third thing is the fact that I have been using the Inika setting powder to set everything. And I know this powder doesn't have so much power to keep me matte throughout summer when I'm sweating more. But you could also see that not only my face was melting but also the mascara, and I don't recall that Essence mascara that I've been using. I've been using the Essence I Love Extreme Lashes. It was transferring badly underneath my eyes, and also the eyeshadow was melting. So I think I can attribute that to the fact that yesterday it was a really hot day. Today I was taking down all the negative points that I've been seeing on yesterday application. So I've been using the Ren SPF 30, that is a matte SPF. But today I wanted to test this tinted moisturizer, this tinted hydrator by Wet n Wild, against my favorite Nars. This is the Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. This has SPF 30. Now you will see as I go along and apply that there is a shade difference between those products, but this Nars tinted moisturizer is really forgiving. So by the end I have everything applied, you could not tell the difference. And I could see that they are applying almost similar. I get the same finish and the same coverage by using the BK Beauty brush. And I also, as you can tell, I've been using a spray cleanser and I've cleaning the brush between uses. I just wanted to not overlap the product. So yeah, this is second day of testing. I have started the testing 1 hour later. So I have been set everything using this Catrice setting powder, the Nude Illusion. But you could see that I'm still matte after 1 hour of application, and I was also taking the time to apply my makeup. I've been using the Natasha Denona Glam eyeshadow palette. I'm actually working in a project that involves my Natasha Denona palette, and I've been using the Hoola bronzer and the Natasha Denona blush duo for blush and highlighter for today. And as a mascara today I'm wearing the Tarte Man Eater. But I want to tell you one thing, that yesterday, even though I was looking like a greasy ball, I didn't see the actual tinted hydrator grabbing on my fine lines, or here usually I see product grabbing, or on the lines that I have on the forehead. So even I was looking like a greasy ball or grease ball, the foundation was not grabbing. And also I've been wearing masks throughout the day, so I had just a bit of bronzer left. So yeah, I can attribute that even to the fact that I was wearing mask. And let's see by the end of the day how it wears, and if by any chance the new Wet n Wild tinted hydrator is a dupe for the Nars Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. I would say they are as of now. Yeah, so sitting here after 4 hours of wearing the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator and the Nars Tinted Moisturizer, I can definitely tell that yesterday what it caused me the excessive oiliness was the usage of this very glowy SPF, and also setting with a light setting powder that did not help at all to keep me matte throughout the day. I'm all the time setting my foundation, so from this reason all the time when I'm doing a wear test, I do the wear test like I would normally do my makeup. I do not apply primers, but I do for sure set my face. So now I have 4 hours after I've applied both products, and I would say that actually I think the side where I'm using the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator, it looks slightly better than the side when I'm wearing the Nars Tinted Moisturizer. This is as of now. I'll see you in the end of the day with my final thoughts. here we are now in the end of the second day of testing the new Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator, and I remind you that today I have been wear testing it against the Nars Pure Radiant Tinted Hydrator. Right now it's 6:30, so I have a good 8 hours since I have applied. I need to end this video here. I have some errands to run and I do not want to actually shoot the end of the video when I'm too tired to speak. So this is enough for me to realize that what I've done yesterday, it was a mistake, that I've applied the tinted hydrator on the top of a very dewy SPF. This is really good. It is a fantastic product. I was checking before filming in the mirror and I could even tell that the side where I am wearing the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator, it slightly has more coverage than the side where I'm wearing this Nars tinted moisturizer. Maybe this is also because of wearing mask. Who knows how it's rubbing or what's happening when I remove the mask. I only miss the coverage on the nose and on my chin, but I have a good coverage. I'm not shiny. I have just a bit of a dewiness and I did not touch it up whatsoever. So this is what I have since I've applied the makeup in the morning. So really loving this product. Just be careful what you apply underneath and what you use to set it up, especially if you are oily like I am. I think for normal or dry skin this product can be worn by itself or just be set with a normal light setting powder. I'm wearing today my Catrice New Delusion setting powder, which is a fantastic product, and I think that was helping to last me more because today it was also really hot here. I'm actually loving that we have finally summer, so I do not complain. But yeah, this is as far as the review, wear test and feedback related to the new Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. Really love it. I highly recommend it. And to be up to the trend that it's right now, it is Julia B Beauty approved. Now it's your turn to let me know if you have tried this product and what do you think about it? Do you think it's good? Do you like it? I think for $6 you cannot go wrong, and I love the fact that it's really moisturizing and yeah, doesn't clog, doesn't settle into the fine lines, and it provides me a decent coverage, the perfect coverage that I can have for my oily skin, 43 years old complexion. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you'll come back for more, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye guys! Mwah. Okay.